How much are you paying in rent? I bet it's too much. If you're looking for a 2-bedroom downtown Vancouver in an older building, such as 1616 Pendrell here, which was built in about 1970, the 2-bedroom there, 1,400 so odd square feet, will cost you $3,200 a month. Now, if you go to a 1-bedroom, it's roughly $2,200 now in that same building. If you were in a studio on a brand new building on Bidwell, you'd be paying $2,500 for 500 square feet in a brand new building with washer, dryer, and lots of amenities. So take that $3,200 and what could you afford to buy if you had that much money to spend on rent to put into a mortgage? Your mortgage payment comprises of 2 parts, principal paydown and interest. The true cost of a mortgage to you is only the interest component and not the full mortgage installment. Plus, by owning your home, you gain on the equity appreciation over the years. But how do you get the down payment? That's the biggest question and the biggest hurdle and dilemma for most people. Putting together the down payment seems like a very daunting task, but with the right guidance, you'll be able to discover how much easier it is to hopefully get that down payment together so that you can realize your home ownership dreams. So very, very interesting comparison here on a young couple that just bought a condo right behind me. They paid $740,000. They put down $170,000. Their mortgage is roughly $570,000. This young couple, they're 27 years old. They scrimped and they saved for 5 years to put together that down payment. So it can be done. Now this condo just happens to be in downtown Vancouver, but maybe you need to move a little further out into East Vancouver, Burnaby, Coquitlam to find something that really suits your needs and your budget. So when it comes time for you to look at buying your own place, we have financial consultants on our team that can really help and guide you and prepare, whether it's a year down the road or even 5 years down the road. We're here to help and guide you to make your dreams come true. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you immensely for watching. Have a great day.